Introducing the FALCON 5G Smart Combo, the complete solution for upgrading your entertainment system and future-proofing your internet system without the need for installation or drilling holes. The FALCON 5G Smart Combo comes in 4 different sizes: 19, 22, 24 and 27 inch. So you can find the perfect size to fit your motorhome or caravan. Inside the box is the TV, along with a stand for stand mounting and screws for wall mounting. 2 power supply options allow the TV to be powered off of 12 volts or 240 volts, along with the remote control for the TV and remote for the built-in DVD player. Then there is the 5G portable antenna with suction and magnetic mounting options. The FALCON 5G portable router with the USB-C type charging cable and 12 and 240 volt adapters. The FALCON 5G Smart Combo is simple to set up. Begin by mounting your TV onto the stand or wall mount using a standard VESA bracket and the 4 bolts to the back of the TV. Once mounted, power the TV using the 12 or 240 volt power supplies. Now choose how you will be mounting the portable 5G antenna with the suction mount or the magnetic mount. The magnetic mount has a felt finish to ensure it does not leave any scratches. The mount can also be positioned on the back or the base of the antenna, depending on where you want to position it on the van. Then mounting the antenna outside and feeding the cables through the window. You are able to close the window on the cables as they are thin and durable. The antenna is IP66 waterproof and omnidirectional, so it picks up signal from all around, 5 times stronger than the antennas in your mobile phone, and designed to go outside of your van, where signal cannot penetrate through. The antenna collects the 5G and 4G signal available and passes the signal to the router to translate to Wi-Fi. Setting up the router, insert your SIM card. The router is unlocked, meaning it will take a SIM card from any provider, pay as you go or contract. The antenna simply plugs into the router using the push-fit connections. The router has its own built-in battery, meaning it can be used portably with 10 hours of charge. Charging using a USB Type-C cable, you can charge the router from a USB point, 12 volt or 240 volts. A completely portable internet solution means you are not just restricted to your motorhome or campervan, but you can use the system in your mobile life too, whether you are working at a park bench, looking for a secure and reliable internet connection while staying in a hotel, or even replace your home internet system. The FALCON Portable 5G system can go where you go, all without requiring any installation or holes being drilled. Now connect your FALCON WebOS camping TV to your FALCON 5G internet system using your unique password and stream all your favorite shows and movies. The FALCON Smart TV comes with all the most popular platforms already downloaded, but it also has a built-in app store, so you can download whichever apps you would like. You can also connect up to 32 devices to your FALCON 5G system, so make sure to connect your phones, tablets and laptops too. Once connected, your device will automatically connect to your FALCON 5G system whenever it is turned on without having to log in. The FALCON WebOS Camping TV also has a built-in TV tuner and satellite tuner, so you can connect your aerial or satellite system to watch live TV with multiple input options, including 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports and a built-in DVD player. Connect with Bluetooth 5.0. Pair a Bluetooth soundbar to enhance your audio experience and deliver a surround sound style system, or connect a pair of Bluetooth headphones so you can enjoy your movie while your partner can read their book. Voice control allows for even easier navigation and accessibility on the TV. With stunning 178-degree viewing angles, a clear image can be appreciated from any angle, ideal for close environments like caravans and motorhomes. And the edge-to-edge display offers more screen, while taking up less space in your van. By purchasing the FALCON 5G Smart Combo, you can make a massive saving of £100 and have the complete entertainment solution for your caravan or motorhome. Life made easy by FALCON.